So I'm going to show you why you should be using Google Posts and how you can post as well. So let's start with putting in a brand name, and I'm going to use ours because it's a good example. Chain Digital. Now I put it in. Now we're not going to be winning any battles here at the moment because we're a very new company. We don't have any domain authority, very few links, etc. But what my goal over the next few months is to try and dominate the search engine landscape. Now, what does that mean? That means this bit here, which is advertising, we won't be able to do that because we're not going to spend any budget on pay-per-click at the moment. Coming down, this is because I'm logged into my Google account. This is actually my Google My Business information, which I'll go into in a minute. This is not us. As you can see, this is another company. There's Twitter, there's Wikipedia, there's LinkedIn. Now, over time, I want to be dominating this with the search term Chain Digital. So Twitter account and LinkedIn pages and stuff like that are going to help me do that. Now, what I'm trying to do here is help myself appear better on the knowledge graph. Knowledge graph is this bit on the right, and it's what Google sees as all the information it gathers from across the web and populates here with stuff like your address, your phone number, opening hours, website, directions to it, map, photos, and other information. And of course, here we go. Here is a Google post. All of this information here can be controlled using Google My Business, and I've been into that in other blogs, and I'll go into it in the future. But for now, we're going to concentrate on the Google posts here. Now, I've only got one because I've only posted one so far. And you can see here how to add a new user to analytics, which I did a day ago. What I'm trying to do is encourage people to click through, find out what I'm talking about, and learn how to add a new user on their analytics channel. That made a nice little video here for that one. So that is why it's part of the search engine landscape. Posts are going to appear here on your knowledge graph. They may also appear round about here in search results when you get going and Google begins to recognize that you post a lot of information. So how do I post to Google Posts? Right, simplest way is put in your brand name into the search bar, and as long as you're logged in to the Google account that you use to control Google My Business, you'll get this blue bar here, your business on Google. So here's all the information you can change. You can do opening hours and stuff. You can add new photos. You can answer reviews. You can create adverts. But for this video, we are going to create a post. Now, it is a very simple thing to do to add a new post. You can literally just click here to add the relevant photo. So I'm going to add this one here. Open it. How to add new users to Google Analytics. I probably want to choose a better one that actually fits there, but for this video it doesn't matter. So write your post. How to add new user to Google Analytics. Now you want your title to be as catchy as possible. Now what do you want people to do? You've got lots of options here: book, order online, buy. Because this is just a blog, I'm going to say learn more. I could do sign up to a newsletter, but I click learn more. Scroll down a bit more and I put in Chain Digital. But what I probably do there is the actual link to this blog post. And then I just press publish and voila. Now the other options here are very good. You can add an event. So you'd add a different image with some information about the event, and then put the title of the event, and you can put start time, start date, start time, end date, and end time. Learn more and probably book, and then send them through to maybe an Eventbrite page or a page on your website. Special offers, again, add an image. What's the offer? Offer title. How long does the offer go on for? What's the coupon code? And the link to redeem the offer. And promoting products. So have a product name, your price range, and then you probably want buy or order online, and that will change the name of the button. And then you just press publish, and off you go. You have done a Google post. Now I've shown you how to get there from here. The other way to do it, if you're not appearing here, is to go to Google My Business. So put that in the search results, google.com/business, and it always asks me to sign in even though I'm signed in, but that's one of the foibles. And I'm going to select Chain Digital here. This is where all of my business information is stored on Google. So all the different things, insights, you can see how people are finding you in search and stuff like that. But for this, create a post, and there we go, same process. So I hope you find that useful. You can also check out insights and see how your posts have performed. Mine won't have much information because it's only had one post. But once you get going, you can see what's worked and what hasn't and change your content accordingly. So I would suggest start experimenting with Google Posts. It's very easy and very quick to do. So if you've gone to the effort of making a blog, you want to add it to Google Posts as well, just as another signpost to lead people towards your website. So if you want to increase conversions, increase traffic, use Google Posts. Thank you.